Hello, again. Do you want to know where we're at now? We're at Kildare station, as promised. So after doing some spotting in Hazel, it's time to do some spotting here. Now this station has two platforms, but this is a triple track rather than a double track. And as you can see at platform 2, there'll be a 15:35 service from here to Heuston. And in fact, I see a train in the distance. And at this platform here, we have a train at 15:53 to Limerick Junction. Originally, normally, trains from Heuston go to Culbert Station, but due to resignaling works taking place, at Limerick Culbert Station, trains to Limerick have to terminate in Limerick Junction instead. Then 1816 we have a train to Waterford, and then in 1856 we have another train to Limerick Junction. Oh, someone waiting there. Platforms on. Right. Yeah, see an ICR in the distance. And celebrating 20 years of the Dublin Kildare commuter service. Oh, see it there?
Please stand back behind the yellow line. Train now approaching.
So there we had an ICR pass. Now, trains that don't serve this station on their way to Heuston go through the middle track. Trains pass here at a fast speed or at a slow, or they pass through here at various speeds, so it's just medium or low. But now we're gonna go up to the bridge. I'll take my shots from the bridge, and let me show you what is on offer here. Right. I'm gonna go across. See there, across the railway by footbridge only. And here an ice cream van in the distance. And see, there's a lot of things to see here. See, we have some plaster, we have some inspection cars in the inspection cars, plaster and ballast regulators, tampers, and other things in the sidings. We'll cross over to this platform. And as soon as I come onto this platform 2, then I'll end the video. Whoa, it's dark. Whoa. Easier for me to read under here. This bridge is huge. And right, I'll see you for the terminating commuter service from Heuston.